On today's video, I have a very special announcement for you. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, it's your Lux Queen Jackie and I hope you're having a wonderful day. I put out videos once a week on lifestyle, fashion, handbags, beauty, and makeup. If you're a subscriber, thank you for subscribing and welcome back. If not, don't forget to subscribe below so you can see all the videos that I put once a week. Also, don't forget to follow me on social media. It's Lux Queen Jackie, LuxQueenJackie, on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, Pinterest, Lux Queen Jackie, everywhere. I told you I had a very special announcement for you, and here it is. I now have my own website and blog. It's luxqueenjackie.com. I invite you to go there and subscribe to it, fill out the contact sheet. I'm going to have blogs that I'm going to update all the time, and it's going to be here. I have travel, makeup, fashion, handbags. I'm going to have blogs about all this and more. I'm pretty much going to write about my life experience with these themes and other themes, and we're going to have a lot of fun together in this blog. In the fashion category, I'm going to talk to you about all the fashion that is current right now. I have an article right now that I wrote about wedding dresses. Let me find it right here so you can see the picture right here. It's about wedding dresses and the wedding season. I'm going to talk to you about what's in style for summer, for spring, for fall, for winter, when the seasons change, what's hot right now, what's not hot right now, what you shouldn't be wearing, what you should be wearing, everything in that fashion. In travel, I'm going to talk to you about my trips, everywhere I go, everywhere I think you should go, where are the good deals. Next month, I'll be going to the Bahamas on vacation, to Atlantis. So this travel is going to be filled with my vacation pictures and an article on how I liked Atlantis and what you should do, what you shouldn't do. Everything that you need to know for travel is going to be in that section. And there's a makeup section. I'm going to tell you the hottest makeup trends, the different beautiful makeup out there, the different palettes, the different brands, different things for your skincare, what I like to use on my skin, what you should be using from high-end to drugstore. I'm going to talk to you about all that. Let's see, handbags, my favorite theme. Handbags is my love. You know how much I love my handbags. So I'm going to talk to you about what's hot, what's not, the high prices, the low prices, when Chanel brings out their new season, what came in, what is out, what I think you should buy, what I think it's worth it, what I think it's not worth it. I'm constantly going to be changing the articles so that I can show you, and together we can have fun just reading and, letting you know what I like and what I think is in style and what, I think you would like. But if there's something you want me to write about, please let me know in the comments below, and I will most definitely write about it, research it, and write a blog about it. Handbags, I want to write about counterfeit bags versus real bags. What's the difference? How to tell when it's a counterfeit bag and when it's not. I know that's a really hot topic, and I've been asked about counterfeit bags before, so I'm going to write a whole blog about how to tell when your Louis Vuitton bag is real or if it's counterfeit. How to tell if your Chanel bag is real or counterfeit. Even if your Coach bag is real or counterfeit. Because you know that I love handbags of every sort. My thing is, if it looks beautiful to me, then I will use it. I do not care if it's Chanel, if it's Louis Vuitton, if it's Coach, Michael Kors, if it's a no-name brand. If it looks beautiful, I will use it. So, together, I think we'll have fun in this blog. So go ahead, go to luxqueenjackie.com, click on the three little blue lines, or go to contact and hit contact. And it comes up right now. Fill out that contact sheet with your name, your email address, and a message of what you want me to write about. And I will send you an email every time that I update my blog so that you can see what the new article is all about. Also, if you hit that little blue line, or on the top, you have shop my posts. And here I am going to put everything that I love, that I post on my Instagram page, on my Facebook page, so that you can see my posts. And if you like something, you can go ahead and purchase it. There are links straight on the pictures. Let's say this handbag there. You just click on the handbag and it will take you to where their handbag is sold. This one is from Amazon. So as soon as it comes up here, my internet is a little slow right now, it takes you straight to Amazon so that you can buy your handbag. This one is $36.99 and it's a bamboo handbag, which I thought was so beautiful. It's right here. So it's beautiful. So there's a lot of things you can do on luxqueenjackie.com. So I invite you to follow me on social media and subscribe to my blog, and we will have fun together. That's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being part of my special announcement. If you liked this video, please hit like below, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on all social media. Thanks again, and I will see you in my next video.